Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in this lecture I am here with a miscellaneous exercise. So open your booklet, page number 83. This miscellaneous exercise is from chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Okay, miscellaneous exercise mean different questions from chapter number 2 and from chapter number 6. So to solve this exercise you have to revise your chapter 2 and chapter 6. So let's start. Question number 1, is 4055 is divisible by 5 and 10? Along with reason. You have to check whether this given number 4055 is divisible by 5 and 10. You have to check the divisibility rule of 5 and divisibility rule of 10. Then you will also mention the reason for yes or no, whether this number is divisible by 5 or 10, yes or no, and why. Okay. Question number 2, write down the factors of these numbers. How many factors does each number have? 25, 32 and 50. Very easy. 25, 32 and 50. Here you will write the factors of 25, factors of 32 and factors of 50. Then in this column you will write number of factors, mean 5 factors of 25 or 6 factors or 7 factors. So just you have to write the number of the factors. Next is draw factor tree to show prime factors of the given numbers 42 and 14. In the first box you will draw the factor tree for 42 and in the second box you will draw the factor tree for 14. Got it? And then write the prime factors of these two given numbers. Next question is find the prime factors of 99 by division method. You have to write prime factors of the given number 99 and by division method, not the any other method is given, so follow the given method. Okay. Now come to your booklet, page number 84. Booklet page number 84. Next question is find HCF of 12 and 21 by using division or prime factorization method. Highest common factor of 12 and 21 by prime factorization method. Find LCM of 24, 39 and 48 by prime factorization method. You have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Okay. You have to revise the HCF and LCM from chapter number 2. Next is the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter and its length is 13 centimeter. What is the breadth of the rectangle? Now perimeter is given, length is given, just calculate the breadth. You have to watch the video. Okay. Next is find the area and perimeter of the given rectangle. Length is 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. In first box you will calculate the area of the rectangle. In the second box you will calculate the perimeter of rectangle and the length and breadth are for both area and perimeter. Last question is find the area and perimeter of given square. Now square shape is given, one side is also given. In first box find the area of the square and in the second box find the perimeter of the square. So students, I hope you can do these exercises by yourself, and for any problem you can ask me or you have to watch the video from chapter number 2 and chapter number 6. Thank you.